Ephesians 4:6. When we see this, God doesn't have any discrimination, any differences. He is living in all. He is always precious. As our Father is, same way we have to be. That's why one who possesses the nature of equality is verily a divine being, and such a person is auspicious. Such a person is auspicious. When we see Jesus' life, he has a nature of equality. Whatever God's mind is, Jesus is having. That's why Jesus demonstrates the Father's mind to this world. Whoever this nature of equality, they are auspicious in everywhere, in all things, in all. My dear brothers and sisters, religion cannot teach this nature of equality. Only Jesus can teach this nature of equality. There is a life in this nature of equality. When you have this nature of equality, you can live anywhere, in any kind of people. That is the specialty, that is the importance is there for this nature of equality, because this nature of equality is the Father's nature. Whoever this nature of equality, they are precious and auspicious. My dear friends, those who have this nature of equality, they are the sign of auspicious. వారు శుభప్రదమైనటువంటి వారుగా గుర్తింపు. వారు నిజమైన వారు ఎక్కడున్నాను ఏం చేసినప్పటికి కూడా వారు శుభప్రదమైనటువంటి వారే. They don't show any discrimination in the world. There is no differences in their mind. We have to see this Jesus nature. When you observe Jesus nature, when you study Jesus nature, he has purely nature of equality. In this nature of equality, there is no place of discrimination. There is no place of hate.